Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install BlueStacks on Android. Alright, let's begin. I will guide you through the process. If you open your Play Store and search BlueStacks, you'll see that you cannot download BlueStacks because it is not available for Android mobile. But if you still want to download BlueStacks, I'll walk you through how you can do it. You need to open Google Chrome and search BlueStacks APK. After doing this, you will see several websites where you can download the BlueStacks APK. Simply tap "End the first result" and then download the APK. You need to tap on the Download APK button, and your downloading will begin. But remember, you actually don't need to download BlueStacks 5 for your Android mobile because BlueStacks is designed to run Android apps on your laptop or PC. Since you're already using Android, BlueStacks isn't necessary. After downloading the setup, tap on the file, then simply tap on Install, and you'll have BlueStacks on your Android mobile. So that's basically how you can download and install BlueStacks on Android. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.